In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery to Carrd. Carrd is a fantastic tool for creating simple, responsive one-page sites, and having a neat image gallery can greatly enhance your website's visual appeal. Let's dive into the process and get started. First, you will want to open your Carrd editor. If you're logged in, just navigate to your project and access the editor from there. From the editor, you'll need to locate the button to add a new element, represented by a plus sign. This is your gateway to inserting different kinds of elements into your site. Click on that plus sign, then navigate down the list until you find Gallery. Select it to initiate the creation of an image gallery on your page. As soon as you select Gallery, a panel will pop up. This panel is your main workspace for managing the gallery. Look for the upload option and click on it. This action will bring up a dialog box that allows you to choose an image file from your computer, browse through your files, find the image you want to start with, select it, and click open. Once your image is uploaded, you may need to adjust it a bit. The editor should give you the option to crop your image right away. Position the crop box as desired, ensuring that the most important elements of your picture are in focus, and then click accept. This step finalizes your upload, and your chosen image will appear in your newly created gallery. Let's say you want to add more images. Without leaving the left panel, simply scroll down to find the Add button. This lets you keep augmenting your gallery with additional pictures. Clicking Add will again prompt the option to upload. So select your next image file from your computer and press Open. As before, you'll want to crop it to fit nicely within your gallery dimensions. So go ahead and do that, then click Accept. It's important to remember that these steps can be repeated as needed. Whether you're adding 2 images or 20, just continue following the same procedure to build out a comprehensive, stunning gallery. Each new image helps tell your story or share your visual interests with your website visitors. And there you have it, you've successfully created an image gallery in Carrd. With these straightforward steps, your website can showcase your beautiful images effectively and stylishly. Galleries can significantly improve user engagement by offering a visually engaging way to display your content. So, give this a try and watch your Carrd site transform with the power of visual storytelling. Thank you for following this tutorial, and be sure to tune in for more tips on making the most out of your Carrd experience.